Okay, so welcome to Rexel Treks Downhill Adventures. Today we are going down the chainsaw. I don't know what the fuck this thing is, where it comes from, or what's going on. I just kind of was messing around and I stumbled on it. So we're gonna be giving it a try for the first time, bear in mind. So yeah, expect me to kind of suck. The chainsaw. Oh, interesting. That was the side path, I guess, not the traditional path. Oh, oh. What is this trail? The chainsaw. Holy damn. That is some adrenaline. Oh, generating shit right there, guys. Now this is a real double black. Woo. It'll slide right at the bottom. Guys, that is the toughest trail I've ever done. Oh, man. The chainsaw. Holy shit. Rexel Trek survives it, I think. We'll see. What is that? There's another random crazy ass trail over here. What the fuck is this? Oh no. I mean, obviously this is the chainsaw. Yeah, the mud dug in a little deeper than I was expecting. Yeah. Yeah, this is at the outside of my limits, guys. I gotta get down, but might have to walk. Yeah, I'm gonna walk this part. Yeah, outside my limits. Shit. I don't even know how to walk down this thing, man. Holy damn, guys. Right, like, oh, hey, shit. Oh. All right, well, Rexletrex gets bested by the chainsaw. Walk of shame. Twice. This one I could probably do no problem, but confidence was shattered. Whew. And you come out right here at the 52-57 intersection. That's Rexletrex doing the chainsaw and failing it hard.